In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your stock tax information into Turbotax and file your stock market tax details smoothly and quickly. This process should take you about 5 minutes from start to finish, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Turbotax official website. This is where all the magic happens. Starting here ensures you're gaining access to the most updated and secure version of Turbotax, where you can manage and file your taxes online with ease. Once you're on the Turbotax homepage, your next step is to click on the Sign In button. It's generally located at the top right corner of the website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, enter your login details to access your personal tax area. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself at the tax home. This is the central hub where all your tax activities are stored and managed. It's your personal command center, making tax filing as straightforward as possible. Next, proceed to the Turbotax free edition for the 2024 tax year. This edition allows you to file simple tax returns at no cost, and it's especially handy if your tax situation meets certain criteria. This might include filing a 1040 as long as you don't need to itemize deductions, and importantly, it includes capabilities for importing stock tax information. Now, we're getting to the meaty part. Click on Wages and Income. This section keeps track of all your earnings, including wages, salaries, and stock income. It's crucial to enter accurate information here, as the calculations Turbotax provides are based directly on the details you input. Once in the Wages and Income section, locate the option to manage your stock income. Usually Turbotax has a guiding setup that asks you about various income sources. Simply follow along until you reach the stock income part. It's designed to import data smoothly from many brokerage firms, saving you tons of time you would otherwise spend on manual entry. Lastly, you can review the imported information and make sure everything looks correct before proceeding. Turbotax often offers a step-by-step check to ensure nothing is missed and your stock tax data is incorporated correctly. That's it. By following these steps, you have successfully imported your stock tax information into Turbotax, making the often cumbersome task of tax filing more straightforward and manageable. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in handling your stock taxes. Thanks for watching and happy filing.